Welcome to today's webinar on a hydraulic heat exchanger in high pressure die casting machine. I am Bharat Sharma and I'll be your host for this session. So let's talk about the hydraulic heat exchanger in high pressure die casting machine. In high pressure die casting, the efficient regulation of hydraulic oil temperature is crucial for achieving consistent and precious result. Today we will explore the role of hydraulic heat exchanger in this machine and discuss the challenges associated with them. Let's begin by understanding the operating principle of a hydraulic heat exchanger in the context of high pressure die casting machines. It functions similarly to a boiler, facilitating the transfer of heat between hot hydraulic oil and cooling medium, usually water. The heat exchanger allows the cooling water to pass through while the hot oil flow in close proximity. As the water cools down oil, it helps maintain the optimal temperature required for the machine's smooth operation. The precise regulation of hydraulic oil temperature is critical in high pressure die casting machines. It directly affects the flow characteristic of the hydraulic oil, influencing the movement and control of the machine's components. By ensuring the hydraulic oil remains within the desired temperature range, we can achieve consistent injection of molten metal into the die cavity, resulting in high quality, accuracy shaped metal parts. However, like any system, hydraulic heat exchanger can encounter challenges, particularly when it comes to leakage. This issue can have a troublesome consequence for high pressure die casting machines. One concern associated with leakage is the potential contamination of hydraulic oil by water. If water from the cooling system seeps into the hydraulic system due to a leak, it can compromise the oil's performance. Water contamination can reduce lubrication, accelerate wear and tear on machine components, and even lead to the formation of damaging sludge or rust. Therefore, maintaining the integrity of the hydraulic oil is vital for optimal machine performance and longevity. Conversely, leakage can also lead to the contamination of the cooling water by hydraulic oil. If oil escapes the hydraulic system and mix with the cooling water, it can impact the water ability to effectively cool down the hydraulic oil. This contamination can result in reduced heat transfer efficiency, increased energy consumption, and potential damage to downstream equipment reliant on the clean water. To mitigate these challenges, proper maintenance and monitoring practice are essential for hydraulic heat exchanger in high pressure die casting machine. Regular inspection, swift repair of any leaks, and robust steering mechanism help prevent oil water contamination and ensure the machine optimal performance. Now let's talk about the summary, what we get from this short webinar. So in summary, hydraulic heat exchangers play a crucial role in high pressure die casting machines, regulating the hydraulic oil temperature for precise and consistent metal parts production. However, the risk of leakage pose potential issues, including hydraulic oil contamination by water and cooling water contamination by hydraulic oil. By implementing proactive maintenance practice, we can mitigate these challenges and ensure the reliable operation of hydraulic heat exchanger in a high pressure die casting machine. So thank you all for today webinar on hydraulic heat exchanger in high pressure die casting machines. We hope you found this information valuable. So please let me know in comments, and also if you have any further questions, so comment your question in your comment box. We will continue this discussion in future videos. So thank you very much. Keep learning till death.